Hey everybody, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. And today I'm going to do a review on Mia's Secret White Acrylic Powder French 3D. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I try opening it with my fingernail, much to no avail. So I'm going to use this other side of this cuticle pusher. So here is the consistency of it. The next, I'm going to go ahead and put some of it in one of these containers. And I got this from the dollar store. They come in a pack of 10. And what I do is I'll just put a little bit of the acrylic in them. That way I can use them without having to double dip into the big container. And I'm also going to be using this Cover Pink today along with it. And I'm going to attempt my first ombre nail. So work with me here. All right, so I'm just gonna prep this nail not like I would a real nail. I'm just gonna be adding the acrylic straight on there. And this is my monomer, and this is just an empty candle holder that I use to keep my monomer in. And this is the brush I'm gonna be using today. So here we go. This is the first bead of the white 3D acrylic. And it looks pretty good to me. The pigmentation seems really strong. And I'm gonna go ahead and add another bead here at the front because I think I took a little bit too much of it off. So here is the final look of just the white application. And I did okay for my first ombre nail. I'm gonna add the Cover Pink next. And then next, I always like to remind people to dip their brush into acetone after they're done using acrylic. That way it doesn't get stuck in your brush. All right, you guys, that's my first attempt at an ombre nail. You can see there's definitely imperfections on the nail, but that's okay. I know I'll get better with practice. That concludes my review for Mia's Secret White Acrylic Powder French 3D. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You'll really help this channel grow. See you next time.